Namaskar, myself Dr. Dharmesh P. Raykundaliya, Professor and Head, PG Department of Statistics, Sardar Patel University, Vallabh, Vidyanagar. Under the NEP 2020, Sardar Patel University is going to start a new program in the Department of Statistics called B.Sc in Statistical Science, which is of a 4-year program. How this program is different than the other programs? B.Sc Statistics is already there, but there is a B.Sc Statistical Science, which is a combination of statistics, economics and computer science. Now the question is, who is eligible? A candidate who has passed 12th standard in any stream with English as a one subject. However, a student who has studied the mathematics or statistics as a one paper in their 12th standard will be given a preference, and candidate who has passed the diploma polytechnic for a 2 years and 3 years and English as a one subject who is eligible for this. So my friends, this is a program where you have studied arts, commerce or science, A group, B group, AB group, you are eligible to get the admission in this program. The program is of a 8 semester, that is, it is of a 4 years. It is little bit the higher fee. Total intakes are the 20. In the first semester fee is about the 9,600 and the rest of the semester fee is about the 9,250. So total fees of the 4-year program is 74,350. Now what will you learn in the particularly B.Sc Statistical Science? So you will study, as I say that, you will study the combination of statistics, economics and computer science. So there are fundamental subjects like official statistics, fundamental economics, probability and distribution theory, data wrangling and exploratory analysis, which is related to the data science, elements of statistics, some little bit maths called set theory and calculus, research methodology, how to conduct the research, and of course the Indian economics of 1 and 2. What advanced courses are you going to learn in this program? So there is a called Statistical Inference 1 and 2, where you will study estimation theory and testing theory, regression modeling for a forecasting purpose, sampling theory, time series and control chart, categorical analysis, data analysis, matrix and operation research, and technical analysis for the security market. Like suppose if one is to work in the stock market, so one has to know about the technical analysis. What computational skill and experiential skill you will learn. So in this you will have a one project work that is called the research project 1 and 2 in the semester 7 and 8. One has to go with the internship during the 6th semester. You will also learn the softwares like the SAS programming. There is also a development of students. So we had a one paper of theoretical skills. We will also give some insight about the introduction to of artificial intelligence. What programming skill and analytical skill are you going to learn to develop your skill development? It is saying that technical skill will arrange interviews, but soft skill will give you the placement. So programming skill you will learn like the Python programming, R programming, SAS, SPSS, data visualization and analysis tool like the MS Excel, which is advanced, as well as the Power BI, and database management like SQL for a structural query language. Friends, every field generates the data and every data needs statistician. So after completion of a B.Sc Statistical Science, where can this degree take you? So in a government, you can be a statistical officer, junior statistical assistant, senior statistical assistant, data analyst, research officers, and in a different organization like the National Sample Survey Office, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, District Statistical Office, even you can crack the UPSC, and that is called the Indian Statistical Services in the government. If you go for the industrial or the corporate sector, you can work in the banking, finance, you can work in the information technology, you can work in the health and the research, and of course you can work in the e-commerce and the marketing. So what different positions will you get when you enter into the corporate world? Entry level you can get the position like data analyst, statistician, business analyst, research analyst and many more. Wherever there is a word analyst is there, you have to prefix the statistics, so such positions are available in the domain. Now, the list is not limited. You can also go for the higher study. So, where you can do the higher study in India as well as the abroad. So, in India you can do the MSc Statistics, MSc Applied Statistics and Predictive Data Science, MSc in Quality and Productivity Management, MSc in the Business Analytics, Finance, and of course you can do the postgraduate diploma in AI. Simultaneously, one can also pursue the MBA and MCA via clearing the competitive examination which is conducted by the various body. In the higher study for abroad, one can go for the Master of Data Science, Masters in Statistics, Masters in Business Analytics, of course in the Masters in Actuarial Science. So friends, as a statistician, I know that in one of the AGM, Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of the Reliance industry, said that data is a new oil. So, what the role of the statistician is that translating data into dollars. As I say, the technical skill get you interview, but the soft skill get you the job. If you have the problem solving approach, if you have a good communication skill, I am not saying that your English should be good. You should be able to understand the domain of others, help them to analyze the data and convey the information in terms of a domain. Language may be anything. So, you should have a good communication. If you are a good storyteller and if you have an understanding of a business acumen, that means what is the logic behind the business, if you can understand. So, my friends, you can easily translate the data into the dollars. Now, the question is that how to apply in the new program. One has to visit it is completely online, as you know that the Gujarat government has made the common portal that is called the GCAS. So, you can visit this official website which is scrolled in the particularly screen. So, friends, apply now and secure your future in data science and statistics. The important instructions are that ensure all details are accurate, keep scanned document ready and regularly check the portals of the updates for the GCAS and whatever the login you have made. For more details, you can contact to me. These are my phone numbers as well as my email IDs are given, and official helpline number of the Department of Statistics is given. Follow us for more detail in our social media. You can just scan and you can get the entire information of the department, what the facilities we have, what our alumni are saying our department, how the departments are helping the students to making their future career. Stay connected for the updates, admission and opportunity. Thank you very much.